How to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you'll be prompted to the settings page. Now from here, simply tap on Account Center at the top. And now from the pop-up menu, simply tap on option labeled Passport and Security. Now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as two-factor authentication. So simply tap on that. And now here, simply select your account, and once you do that, on the new page, you will see different options for two-factor authentication, including authentication app, additional method, and SMS or WhatsApp. And if you are using an authentication app, just tap on it. I have used it, so I'm gonna simply tap on it. Now here on the new section, you can see the option labeled as authentication app at the top. So simply toggle off that option. And Instagram may ask for final confirmation. From there, simply tap on turn off button. And just like that, you have successfully turned off two-factor authentication on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.